9 people. Keeps coming, keeps coming. Okay. Okay, everyone. Good afternoon. Have a nice Friday. I hope that you are having a good Friday. No problem, Sanchit. Well, I don't think that this is the real reason, Christine, okay? I think that it's another one, okay? Okay. Siranjit. Busy day? Busy day, but you're gonna have a long weekend, okay? You are just a few hours away from a long weekend. There's no test next week. So you're gonna have some enjoyment, some fun over the weekend. Hopefully. 4 hours away, yes. Yes, 4 hours away. Don't we all have a lot of assignments? I have a lot of assignments. But you know what? There is a time for assignments and there is a time for fun. Do on August 2nd? Yeah, that's a bit tough. Okay. That is a bit tough. But again, mix your time there. Don't, of course, focus on what needs to be done, but get some time if you need. Get some time off, get some, at least a day. We have 3 days there, get a day away from stuff, Okay, so today you're gonna be finishing our deployment, okay? So let me give you a bit of a preview of what we're gonna be doing. So we're gonna be concluding our deployment to Azure in the first half of the class. Then I will be asking you to do the student survey. Actually, I have to have a look to see how we are doing because the numbers were, well, at least my numbers were a little bit low. So I'm gonna save some time today, about 10 minutes, so you can go and answer the student survey. Please, I'll open time. I'll make time for that today. A little bit later, but I'll make it. And then what we're gonna be doing is you will have the chance to get bonus 10 by deploying Sports Store using Azure live. And you're gonna share your URL with me. If it's working, you got the bonus. If it doesn't work, you don't get the bonus. Okay? So you're gonna have that started today. If you can finish, you're gonna have quite a lot of time. You're gonna have a good half an hour, 40 minutes to try that. I'll be here to help. I'll be here to assist as well. But that's your bonus number 10. What's up?
Can you please repeat?
Yeah, that's bonus 10. I will repeat that a little bit later. But bonus 10 is about deploying Sports Store live to Azure. I'll mention that once we're done with our deployments, okay?
So for that, we need an account, right?
Yes, we do.
I don't have credit card. Actually, I blocked my credit card.
Did you try your Centennial account?
Yeah, I tried.
What happens there?
It's just asking for the credit card information later on.
So even with your Centennial account, it's asking for a credit card?
No, I didn't try with the Centennial account.
Okay, you should. You should. You should try with your Centennial account, okay? Again, don't try now, but in the right time, you can try. For now, just follow along what we're going to be discussing, okay? Yeah, so Samira, good to know. So Samira just saying that with Centennial ID, you are not asked for a credit card, okay? Great. Okay, so let's get things going here. We left last time, yesterday, we left right when we were deploying. We have deployed the database to Azure, and we are able now to run the application locally, but connecting to the remote database, okay? So just to reconnect with that from yesterday, here's where we left. We have our remote database. We have both of them, the identity and products. And because now we have the other app settings, and we have also changed the settings, the debug settings under project properties. Let's have a look there. See, the environment variable here, we changed this from development to production. Okay. Samira, I will talk about bonus 10 a little bit later. Just hold on there. So we changed this, and by doing so, we are now able to run the application locally and access the database remotely. So again, if I run this, it's taking a little bit of time. Actually, maybe not. Maybe it's broken already. Yes. Okay. So I know what this is. Okay, what is that? An attempt was made. Access socket was forbidden by access permission. Okay. What is going on here? What is going on? Well, it can be a few different things. Maybe, let me try this again. Maybe the seed data. Maybe I changed IP address. Seed data is not working. Let me try this again. Okay, so I just run it again. Sometimes you have, this kind of temporary problem. So let's just double check if we are really connecting to the live database. Let's go to our SQL Server Object Explorer. Let's open our products and let's make a change to the product table. I'm going to right click here. I'm going to go to view data. Kayak boat. Then I can, if I change this and I change this back here to 270 bucks. If I refresh this here and here, we should see this change. So look, actually to access the data is quite fast, This data is coming from Azure, running locally, but coming from Azure. So it runs quite well. Now, we are running this from our local environment, from our local computer. And we want to be able to deploy this live, to make this live, okay? So to do that, we're gonna go through the deployment process that we can perform with our application to deploy the compiled code to Azure so it can run from there, okay? So there are a lot of little steps here, lots of little steps. I'm gonna go slowly here, but you have to make your notes there. Make sure you make your notes. Maybe take screenshots. Make screenshots with some notes underneath using Microsoft Word or some text editor. Okay? So I'm gonna close everything here so we can have less distractions in our screens. And from here, if we follow the presentation, I do have videos, Andrew, from previous classes. However, I have details here on the PowerPoint that you can use to follow along as well. you have your notes that you're going to be taking. I know that you're going to be taking your very careful notes right now, aren't you? Come on, you are. I know you. You're gonna do that. But again, you have the PowerPoint as well. So with the PowerPoint, this will give you a very good. No, click this, go there. It's gonna give you a good reference point as well. Okay. Okay, someone, again, I'm gonna say someone because if you send me something private, I'm not gonna tell your name. So someone is asking, what if we don't use SQLDB in Azure and just use LocalDB as we are deploying the compiled codes? So you're not deploying, Diraj. If you are using LocalDB, how can you use LocalDB with the deployed code on Azure? You cannot. Azure is not aware of your computer. So if you deploy the code there on Azure, the application, it's not gonna know where is your database, your local database. So you cannot really do that, you know? Okay, so for us to be able to publish, again, we are talking about the keyword here is publish. We are publishing the application live, okay? So we're gonna go to the project name. We're gonna right click there, and then you're gonna go to publish. So project name, right click, click on publish. You're gonna start a wizard, an assistant here, okay? That's gonna step you through how you can deploy this live to Azure. So we're gonna create a new Azure App Service to deploy this application, okay? We're gonna select a new Azure application. This becomes a new resource on Azure. So you just need to select create new here and click on create profile. So we're gonna click there, create profile. It's gonna come up with a second screen. On this screen, first thing that you should do is you should check if you are using the correct account, the account that you have with Azure. See, I have different accounts here. I have my Centennial account. I have my work-related account. I have the account that I just created for this course. So I'm going to use this one. If, by the way, if by any chance the account you want to use is not listed, you just click add an account. And then you're going to add the username, the password, and you're going to connect to your Azure account. Okay? So I'm going to keep my select again. Pay attention to this, okay? Pay attention to what is the account that is selected. Next here. We're gonna either we change this or we can keep this name. This name will be the name of the application that you will be, of the URL that you're gonna be deploying to Azure. Okay? To give you, yeah, so that's the one. I'm just checking here if I have. Yeah, so this name here, it has to be unique. If you put something that has already been created before, check it out. Look, name is not available. Please choose another one. Okay? So by default, it brings the name with a timestamp. You can keep that. You can change that. As long as nobody else is using that name, you are okay. And the wizard will tell you right away if there is anyone else using this name already. So I'm gonna just say Sports Store, Summer 20. Use another one. If you are following along, use another name so we don't conflict with each other, okay? M20, and then I'm gonna say sec003. Under subscription, you're gonna see free trial there. Keep it free trial, of course. Resource group, most likely you only have one resource group. Keep whatever one is there. I'm gonna select here section 3 just because I have multiple resource groups to organize the different sections that I'm working with. And then hosting plan, you can keep whatever they come up with here. Okay, so basically the only one that you can change if you really want to change is the name here. The other ones just keep them as they come, as they are. That is a domain name. Yes, so the domain name is not just this, Andrew. The domain is this dot azurewebsites.net. So it's the whole thing. You're gonna see this, the full URL a little bit down the road, but yes, this is part of the domain name. Actually, this is called subdomain, okay? But you have the option to keep the name it has suggested to you at the beginning, or you can make changes like I just did, okay? Great, any questions here from anyone? Any questions? Again, I'm going slowly so you have the chance to take screen captures of what I'm doing here. Remember that you're gonna have this video as well as a reference point. Remember that you have the PDF as well. Again, you have a lot of resources to help you out with this. But don't ignore your notes. Don't overlook your notes. Get some screenshots here. Anyway, with this done, I can click on Create button. Let's wait a little bit. By the way, I want to tell you that this process can fail as well. This is not perfect, okay? So if you try to do the same and you get some error messages, maybe you need to try it again. Try it again. Most of the time, second time you try, it works, okay? But there are very few errors here that I can really tell you something about. Good, so we are in the second part now. Now, we're not published yet. However, it gives you the site URL. This is the element that I want you to give me in the bonus 10. Bonus 10, you're gonna open a Word document. You're gonna deploy your application, Sports Store, live to Azure. Once you are done, you're gonna copy this URL. You're gonna give this URL to me. Copy the URL, paste it somewhere, paste in the text editor, that's fine. This is the address of your site. Maybe put your name. You can even put your name here. Sports Store, your name. That's okay as well, okay? So, copy the domain, the site URL, and then you don't need to change anything else here. Keep everything as it is. The only thing you need to do here is, what is it? What do you think it is? Come on, let's use our intuition here a little bit. What do you think it is here that you're gonna have to do? Again, what do you think you're gonna have to do here? The only thing that you have to do.
Yes. Publish.
Yes, click the publish. That's it. I'm gonna click the publish and I'm gonna answer the question here from Prablin. So I'm gonna click it there and let's just wait. Prablin, can bonus be
Isaac, Professor, I have a question. So
one second. Let me address already Prablin's here. So can bonus be submitted in second class instead of first? No, Prablin, it cannot. Actually, I'm already being flexible here because the bonus was really meant to be done during class, okay? So again, you're gonna have time. You're gonna have time to do this today. We have 2 hours together. You're gonna have your second time with us. You're gonna have 50 minutes to try this out. So do this today. Do this already. Just get it done. Okay, so you had a question? Is that serious?
yes, Professor.
Yeah, go ahead.
So it's actually where this is gonna be deployed in the Azure. Can we see there?
Yeah. So here is. Look, this is already the new one. Look, it worked.
No. In the Azure, so we are creating resource for this to deploy the application.
So I'm gonna open it there, but one second. So this is already running on Azure. I'm gonna copy the URL and I'm gonna paste for you on the chat so all of you can try this. Go to the admin, try to log in. You know the password. Give it a try. Add products, remove products, mess things around, but don't destroy all products, okay? But the URL is there. Have a look. Probably, but I can't deploy it if my project is incomplete. Probably the project should not be complete because I'm giving the source code. The source code is already here, okay? The source code is not incomplete. It's very complete. So just go to content, go to files, chapter 12, and you're gonna download this one here. Again, don't do it now. Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Hold on a second, okay? Yeah, no, it has to be running. It has to be running, okay? It has to be working. Okay, so Siranjit, to answer your question, let's go to Azure. So I have already logged into Azure, my Azure account. If I have a look at resource groups, and if I select our section, I can look here. And I can see, look, Sports Store, M20, section 003. This is the one, the app service that we have just created via Visual Studio. This is the one. So, as you can see it here.
This is Azure charge for this as well?
That's
app service?
It will, Azure, if you breathe too deep while close to Azure, it's going to charge you if you are breathing too deep. It's going to charge you for everything. However, remember, we are using a free account, a free trial account, okay? So, but again, everything that you create in Azure, close to Azure, is going to charge for that, okay? But again, we are using our free account, okay? Okay. What else? What else we have here? Okay, Sanshit. So
professors, since we are using the Centennial College email address, so will we get the charge from there as well?
Okay, so I'm gonna recommend you to do one thing. So let's go here to home. I don't know which point you are, but I can see that I have a credit card here on file. So if I go to the top column, the top option here, view my account, I can see that I have a credit card here, okay? I have 30 days. As a Centennial student, if you did not have to enter your credit cards, there's no way that they will charge you. There's no way that they can charge you, okay? So you are using a free account. What will happen eventually, if you don't have a credit card attached to it, is that your account will stop working, okay? That's it. But right now, if you are able to use this without a credit card, great. Just use what you can. They're not gonna be sending a charge for Centennial to charge you. No way. Okay?
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes, Professor.
Okay, awesome. Sanshit, can we stop and start the app service from Azure Portal? Let's see here. There must be a way here without having to delete. I don't know if you can start and stop, but let's see. Here goes. See, you can stop, you can restart. Yeah, you can, Sanshit. Stop and restart here. If I try to load it here, this is mine. If I stop there, let's try. Okay, it stopped. If I refresh, see, it's no longer available. Okay, then I can restart there. I can start again. Give it a second. Let's see. Not yet, not yet, not yet. I think it's still loading. And now, you see, it's picking up again. Should come up. See, we are back. So yes, you can. Okay? Now, let me show you this. Let's say that you made some changes. You made some changes to your application. What if you make changes? Well, you can make changes, of course. I can make changes. Let's give this a try. Let's say that if we go to views, and we go to shared and the admin layout, I don't know, we add something like here, title. Well, not the admin layout, sorry. Let's do this with the layout. Layout here, yeah. Layout. Okay, so see, we have sports store here. Sports store is what's going on right here at the top. I can say home. I make a change there. If I make a change here, it's not deployed yet. Okay, so if I refresh this there, it's not there yet, of course. Let it refresh.
We have to republish it.
We have to republish, but the second time is a little bit quicker because the settings are already there. So we go back to Sports Store, right click, go to publish, but now the settings are there. So we just click publish. It's gonna deploy again. Now, make sure that before you publish, make sure that it's compiling, okay? That there are no errors. So give it a second. It's done. And now look at the top here. We should have the word that I put there. So you see here, home. It's been deployed. Okay. Let's have a look here at the presentation. So we have gone through the publish. We did this, create new. We change the name, or we can keep the name as is. We copy the site URL, and woohoo, we are live. Is this great that you can put something live? I find it amazing, you know? But again, I'm a geek. It's quite rewarding. Yes, it is, Christian. It's like my kids say, it's quite what? It's quite, well, they have something that they usually say. I don't know, gratifying. I don't know. Feel accomplished. You feel rewarded. You feel this accomplishment. Satisfying. They say it's very satisfying. So I can say the same thing. It's very satisfying. Even with her award, yes, of course it is. It is. Okay. So now, look at this. We will. That's it. So this wraps up the deployment. So yesterday we deployed database. Today we deployed the application. Today I'm gonna ask you to do this one here. The exercise is this. You're gonna download chapter 12, part 8.3. Here's the file. The file is right here. You're gonna download that. You're gonna deploy the database. Well, create an account, deploy the database, deploy the application. Okay, deploy to Azure. What you're gonna do is copy the URL of your live sites, put your name there, maybe put your name on the URL. Copy the URL, enter that into a text document. It can be a Word document, it can be a text document, doesn't matter. Upload as your bonus number 10. You have until the beginning of next class. Next class is next Thursday. Again, you should be able, if everything goes well, you should be able to do this within the next half an hour. Okay? Okay, so you are becoming Humorzovic. Corona frustration. Yes. Okay, so before you do that, before you get the exercise going, by the way, I'll be here. I'll be monitoring what you're doing. Ask me questions. Share your screen with me. I will walk you through. I will help you out. Okay? I'll help you out. I'm here for that. So, yes, meditative frustration. Just concentrate and it will flow. You're gonna get it. You're gonna get this done. It's your last bonus. Come on. Let's go for it. Before that, I'm gonna ask you to do something for you and for me. Okay? We need to get our student survey done. We need to get that. Yes. probably, please. So right now, first of all, I don't know who writes what. I don't know. Second, I don't know if you are done with your survey or not. I don't have that kind of information. What I have is, at the end of the survey, in a few days, I will have access, without knowing who said what, to what was mentioned there. So we can get that as a feedback to improve the course. Actually, this is your chance to get your voice heard by the big guys, by the program coordinator, the chair, the dean, the table, the desk, by all of them. You're gonna get heard by all of them. So I really want to push our numbers for this course a little bit up. Our numbers are a little bit low. I only have the total number of students, so I have 92 students, and so far I have 30 responses from other sections. I want to see right here. Well, today we don't have too many people today, isn't it? 16 people. Let's see if we can bump this up a little bit. I'm gonna give you 10 minutes. Just please, you can access that on eCentennial, on your homepage of eCentennial. You can do this right here. You can see this evaluation toolkit, and you can see our class there. So go for it. Take a few minutes, and then go for your exercise. I'll be here all the time. Okay? So 10 minutes here. Again, really, I don't mind what you're gonna write there, as long as you write something, as long as you put something there. Whether it's bad or good, it's really up to you and what you feel like is your experience. But again, I really care that you participate. You put your voice forward. That's why I'm asking you to do that. Okay, the video for the deployment. I'm gonna give that, Hansel. Oh, sorry, it's private. In 10 minutes, I'm gonna give that. 10 minutes, you're gonna get the survey done. In 10 minutes, I'm gonna give you that. See, I have to put a little carrot at the end of the stick, so you can stick around. Okay? In 10 minutes, I'll get to that. In 10 minutes, you're gonna get your exercise, and in 10 minutes, we're gonna do attendance as well. 10 minutes, that's it. Again, please take the survey. Remember, it's anonymous. I don't know who said what. I will never know that. So you can go and really put your thoughts there, your mind there, and be honest. And if you have done this already, thank you so much for having done it, okay? Okay, some sheets. Yeah, deploy the database first. There is no right or wrong there, to be quite honest. Just what would be more natural. You put the database, and then when you deploy the sites, database is already there to work together with the sites, you know? Thank you, Praveen. Okay, I appreciate that. Thanks so much. But okay, some sheets. It's not working after signing to Azure accounts. I mean, come on, some sheets. It's not working. I mean, what is not working in Visual Studio? Again, what exactly is not working? I mean, again, if you want you can share your screen. I can allow that. And do you want to do that? Let me know. Okay, 1 second. Okay. Okay, Sanchit, you should be able to share.
Hi, Professor. Can you see the screen now?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so when I click on sign into the Azure account, it stays like this only.
Okay.
Nothing happens.
Can you close
I'll
that?
just show you. Should I close
Okay,
this? Okay.
here it is. Huh?
Yeah, just a second.
So did you create the database already there?
No.
Okay, did you open the account on
Yeah. Here it is.
So this is the account.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, go show there again in Visual Studio. Go there, go back in Visual Studio. Okay. Let's see. You need to be signed in with an Azure account. So this account that shows Centennial College in the top right corner, is that the one?
Yeah, it is the one.
You need to be signed in with your Azure account.
When I click on sign in, it prompts me for username password, but then the screen does not change.
Okay. So go back to Azure there. Okay. Revert back there to Visual Studio. Let's click. I just want to see, because when did you create the account? When was that?
Yesterday.
During our lecture. Account. So can you click the drop down of that drop down. Click on add account. Give it a try again. Okay, 1 second there. Let's try one thing. Click on where it says create your free Azure account. Click there. See what happened there.
It redirects to the portal, I guess.
Okay, let's have a look. Let's see. Okay, go there. Start free. Click on start free. Go there. Keep going there. Just want to see if we're gonna end up in the same place.
It is already signed in.
Scroll down. Okay. Yeah, I don't. Have you ever created an account with Azure before?
No.
No,
Not at all.
I would try, because see your okay, try this. Put your email address there, as Samir is just saying here. Let's follow here what Samir is mentioning. Put your email there. Yep. Did you have to do this, Samira, when you tried? Okay, so Sanjit, Samira is saying that she had to do this, you know.
So do I need to my
Well,
phone number too? Is it so?
yeah, it is. It is. You may, if you
Okay.
want to hide that, that's fine. If you want to scroll down, and again, we don't need to know your phone number, Sanjit. But maybe, again, I'm just saying maybe your account is not fully validated there with Azure, you know, because otherwise you may have already, yeah, you may have already been logged in there. I don't know. I'll try that. And even worst comes to worst, log out from Visual. I mean, if you don't want to try this and you want to log out from Visual Studio, try to log out from Visual Studio. Well, you have to agree, otherwise you won't be able to sign up. Okay, everyone. I hope that you have been able to do the survey. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. I see the numbers going up. Thank you. And at this point, you can, if you want to, you can carry on with assignment 10. You know what you have to do. You know what you have to download. Let's give it a try, Sanjit.
Yeah, just a second. Sir.
No problem. So again, follow along, follow the deployment steps, follow the database one. I'm here, I'll stay here all the time to help you out if you get stuck. If you get stuck, you can share your screen like Sanjit is doing. I can answer the questions. But today, the goal is to get your application live. Sanjit, go back there and yeah. Let's see if there is a way that you can log out, because the thing is that it's logging you in Visual Studio without asking you for passwords. I would try to log out from the browser. Go to a browser and log out from your Centennial account and try it again.
Log out in Visual Studio or in
No, I mean in the browser,
Azure?
because what is happening here is that, you see, when you try to log in, it didn't ask for a password, did it? You just add the
No, yeah.
Yeah, so you are getting validated automatically via stored cookies and things like that, you know. So let's see if now it's gonna ask you for passwords.
Not yet.
let me try here with mine to see what happens when I try to use my Centennial passwords. Let's see here. I'm gonna open a new application here. I'm gonna try to deploy one application to my Centennial account. Let's see. Samira, if you look at the presentation, it's part 803, okay? You can download this PDF as well, okay, from week 10. Yes, it's for you to work on this, to be able to deploy that live, to deploy that to Azure. Deploy the database, doing what we did today and yesterday. Actually, let me share the video that I have from previous semester that I show how to do this, so you can have a look as well. Let me just have a look here.
Professor,
Yeah.
here I have searched on Google, and in the developer community, they are saying that might be Visual Studio update will do the work. It is saying that upgrading it to 16.1 version will fix the issue.
Got it. What is the version that you have right now? Have a look there.
I don't know. I need to check.
You must have something newer than that, I think. Okay, so here is the video. I just posted there to everyone. This video it's a video that the recording from a previous class that I walked through this, okay? So, Hansel, you were asking about that before, is that Hansel? Yeah, Hansel. Hansel, you were asking about this before, so the link is there. So I think that you have, look at your version, it's already...
Yeah, it is upgraded only. It is 16.5.5.
Okay, community edition there, let me see. Okay, one thing that is a little bit strange on yours, Sanchit, is that go back to your Visual Studio there. You are using the Community Edition there. Go to the About. Again, I'm not saying that this is the problem. I'm just saying that you are using the Community Edition there. You know that as a student, you have access to the Enterprise Edition of again, I don't know if it's necessary. I don't think it should be necessary, because if you see the publish option, you should be able to use it.
Yeah, exactly.
See, my Centennial account works fine because I also have, I mean, it's working fine on my Centennial account. I'm trying another account to see if there's any difference, because I have a bunch of accounts. Again, everyone, you know what's bonus 10. Again, this is your time. The best time to try this is right now. You have the time, and you have me here to help you out. So we have 16 people or 15 people in the call, in the class today. Use this time well. Use this time. I mean, you're here already, so why not just get done with bonus 10? You know, get done.
Hello, Professor.
Yeah.
I'm getting a repository error. It seems like migration error. One database is already there, but the identity database is not created.
Okay. So
Yeah.
did you run the migration script?
Yeah, because I didn't change any new changes, so it's saying no changes were applied.
Okay. So let me ask you this: do you have the identity database already on Azure?
Not on Azure, even it's not on created on my local.
Okay, so you need to have it. You need to have it on Azure.
first I have to create it on my local, right?
No, not necessarily. Not
Okay.
really. Yeah, again, I mean, you can create locally, that's fine, because then, but again, remember, we are trying to run it on Azure right now. So the steps that we went through yesterday, we have to create both databases on Azure.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's coming, Professor, now.
What did you change?
I restarted Visual Studio.
Oh, look at this. See? Very good, very
Okay,
good.
okay.
I'm glad.
Thanks a lot.
No problem, no problem. Okay, so let me take care. So Sinajit, go to Azure, make sure that you have both databases there. Okay? Okay, Samira, I'm getting an error when I try to run. Okay. Samira, what's the error? If you want to share with me your screen, you can. The floor is yours. No, you can do it right now, Prablin. Prablin, it's time to do it.
Professor, can you see it?
Yes, I can see it. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Cannot open database, correct? Can you see that there? Look at the message. Look at the message. Can you see the message there?
Where?
Can you see the message that says?
Yeah.
Yeah. So show me the identity database. Where is the identity database? Where is it? Oh, this is local. This is local, Samira.
Okay.
You have to do this remotely. Where's the remote one?
Actually, I am trying to open your project and try to run it.
Yeah, but my project is not on Azure yet. Okay, if you are trying to run this identity, you need to run the update database. You need to run update database command. You need to run this. Look, I'm going to type in update database /context, and then what is the name of the context DB? It's called you need to create a database first before you can run.
Okay.
There is the command is there in the chat. Again, this is failing because identity does not exist yet. So you have to call the update database command. I just posted there in the chat, okay? But again, if you do that, this will run locally. You still have to create the database. This code will not create the database for you on Azure. You have to go open your account on Azure, you did that already. So create the databases there, make the connection strings. Again, you have to go through the entire process we went through yesterday.
Yeah. I didn't actually create in the Azure. I just try to run the program that it is working properly in my laptop. Then I'll connect with the Azure.
Got it. So you need to run this command I just posted in the chat to be able to create the database.
Okay.
Professor, it doesn't create a database, identity database on local. I think we have to delete the migration script first.
Okay. What's your question again?
Yeah, I just ran this command which you gave. So it doesn't create the database, identity database.
Okay, so show me your screen. So Samira, give it a try with what I said. Let's Siranjit share his screen now.
Okay, it's now I am able to run it, right?
Well,
and it will be working properly, right?
I don't know. I mean, let's see.
Okay. Yeah, it's
Okay.
working properly.
Perfect.
Yeah, thanks,
No
Professor.
problem, no problem.
Okay. Okay.
Siranjit, share your screen. Okay, so you're trying to run the database. Is that locally? Is that locally, Siranjit?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so open the SQL, open the database. Let's see if it's there. Refresh the database. Refresh the databases. Yeah. And identity is not there.
Yes.
Yeah. So run that command.
Okay.
No, this command. Where? Hold on. Application DB context. Which context is this one? Is that for the identity or for the products database?
It's for identity.
No, is it? Look again.
Okay, let me check.
What is the name of the context for the identity database?
Yeah.
Can anyone help Siranjit here?
Yeah, actually, I know.
Okay.
But I did wrong.
It's still running. It's still running.
Yeah, it's there now.
Yeah, but it's still running. I mean, it didn't finish it running yet.
Yes, it's running.
Okay, now it's done.
Yeah, it's done.
Okay.
Thank you, Professor.
No problem, no problem. Okay, so I'm gonna take a quick attendance here because you are heroes. You are heroes for being here on a Friday, right before a long weekend. So I want to value your attendance here. So if you hear your name, just say hi in the chat. Andrew, Ashik, and Asmita. Andrew is there. Ashik. Ashik, are you around? Asmita, not around. Okay. Deepika, Dharmik, and Diraj. Diraj, you are around, aren't you? Okay. Philippe, Gurnit, and Hansel. Hansel, you're around. Philippe is there. And Gurnit, yes. Not Gurnit, sorry, Hansel. Yeah, that's fine. Harizul, Hossein, and Janjit. Hossein is there. Janjit, nope. Jaitan, John, Avenido, and Mary Christine. Mary, you're there. John, you're there. And Jaitan, nope. Minu, Parwinda, and Prablin. Minu, Parwinder, and Prablin. Raul, Shakia, and Ritesh. Ritesh. Okay, Samir is there. Sanchit is there. Sanjib is there as well. Alireza? Alireza is not there. Shivansh, Siran Sahota, and Siranjit is there. Yeah. Siran, you're there. And Shivansh, nope. Okay. Saurabh, Stephen, and Thirikain, Christine. Stephen is there. Saurabh is not. And Thirikain, nope. Okay. Okay, great. Tipika, okay. I'll put yours. Okay, Samira, for resource name, I can give any name. Yes, correct, Samira. Give any name. Give it something that you remember, because then you can put all services under this resource. And when it comes time for you to delete, if you delete the resource, everything under under the resource will get deleted automatically later. Okay. Diraj, I'm on a Mac and I don't have my Windows laptop with me. I will complete my deployment. That's fine. That's okay. That's all good. I don't know if there is anything similar to that on Macs, to be quite honest. Diraj, I'm not a Mac guy, but I'd like an opinion from a Mac person. I want to buy an old Mac, so I can have a Mac as well, just in case when I need to do something. So I'm thinking of buying an old 2013 13 inches Mac. You know, it has 4 gig of RAM and 250 of hard drive, I think, you know. So I don't know. I mean, does it work? Would something like this be able to, to do some coding, some programming? What's your setup there, Diraj? I'm just curious. Got it. Let me see. Oh yeah. Okay. So let me see if I can find the ads, because I had an ad the other day that I was trying to buy an used Mac here. Let me see if I can find this Mac. Let's see if it's still available. Okay, I think it's still available. Check this out. I was able to get the guy is accepting 450 bucks. This is the one. Here's the one. Sorry. Ooh, you're using a good machine there, Draj.
Professor,
What's up?
it's showing estimation cost is for 86.44 Canadian dollar.
Okay, did you enter your credit cards?
No.
No. So there's nothing to be charged for. You are using your college account, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Just to guarantee, share your screen. I just want to show you a few things.
Okay.
Share your screen again. Okay. What did you select to get that kind of pricing? Did you click on configure database there?
Yes.
Siranjit?
I just click on the SQL database.
Scroll down, scroll down. all the way down. Did you change the computer storage? Did you change that?
No.
Okay, you know what? Let's try one thing here. Let's go to click on your name in the top corner. Click on your name there. Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Let's go to view account.
Mic is muted.
View account. Okay. Go back to create SQL. Go back there. Yeah, oh actually, you know what? Keep it there. Yeah, go to subscription. Go there, subscription. Again, look at the subscription on the sides. Yeah, click that subscription. Yeah, either one. Let's see here. Scroll up.
Hey, Professor.
Yeah.
Hello. I think I saw that he is using Azure for students and not the free trial one.
Yeah,
I saw
but
that in the database.
yeah, but where do I see the free one? Where I mean,
It will populate in the combo box only, I guess.
Oh.
In the database page.
Okay, go. So Siranjit, go back.
Yeah, the first one.
Got it. So yeah, click there. Yeah, but see, he doesn't have one like that, you know. Let me check one thing here. Let's see, Azure for students. Yeah, go there again, Siranjit. Go there. Okay, click on ads. And yeah, so keep there. That's okay. Leave it there. We're not gonna finish that. Click on resource group. You have to create a group. Sorry, click outside. Create new. Okay, just enter the database name products. That's the first one or the second one?
First one.
Okay. Server, you have to click on create new. You have to click on create new, yeah. So just give it a name. Password, make sure that you keep track of the password, okay? That's okay, yeah. Click OK. Click OK. Just leave it. Just let it go. Leave the default one. Scroll down. Interesting, because no, don't go for networking. Go review and create. Go click on review and yeah, this even the pricing is, I don't know why it says this much, you know, because when I create, I don't see that kind of amount here. Let me have a look here. Have you ever used Azure before, Siranjit?
I just log in for the machine learning.
Okay, for the machine learning. Got it. It's interesting that you don't see the standard 0 here. Maybe because, come on, I'm just checking here. Do I have to pay?
Professor, it's something here. Can you look at like 30-day
Okay.
free trial period?
Yes, sir.
Where did you get that from? Because I was looking at some
The
place else.
additional setting.
Okay, scroll down. Okay, enable advanced data security. No, but this is some advanced stuff there that it's just giving you a 30 days. No, yeah, it's not changing anything there, you know. So, um, available data security. No, that's for additional services. I mean, yeah, this. I think that maybe you're.
Max storage selected in GB. So I didn't select any GB.
I'm just checking some details here.
I guess this basic one, 2 GB.
Yeah, but still, I mean, but
Yeah.
even so, again, if you don't have your credit card there, I mean, there's no way that they can charge you. But to be quite honest, I don't want to risk that, you know, because I don't see a free account. I don't know why I don't see a free account on yours.
This could be that this email might have been used previously.
Yeah, that's what I'm also
That's
wondering there, you know, that the
Professor,
yes,
it's Samira.
yep, go ahead, Samira.
Actually, for identity database, we have to create the server again.
Not the server, just the database under the same server.
Okay.
Okay, you can select the
So-
same server.
But there is showing no available items.
Well, so maybe you just created the server and it's still coming up, so you have to give some time there.
Okay.
Have you created already the one for products?
Yeah, I already created the products now.
So
Actually.
so wait a few more minutes, because
Okay.
maybe the server that you have created before is not available yet.
Okay.
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 Okay, Siranjit.
Okay.
So
I'll try to create new account then.
yeah, but again, most likely a new account will require you to validate. It does not charge, but it's gonna require you to validate credit cards. You know, give it a try there. And if you still get stuck, let me know. Keep me posted, okay?
Okay, Professor.
Excuse me, sir.
Yep.
So as you were taking attendance, I just muted the class to do the work, so I couldn't
I'll
attend.
put yours. I'll make sure. Okay.
Thank you.
That's Prablin, isn't it?
Yeah, Praveen.
No problem, Prablin. Okay, I will take care of that. If you have deployed yours live, how about you share your URL in the chats so we can have a look? Feel free to share yours.
Hi, sir.
Yes.
Christine here.
Christine, what's up?
Hi. After running the command on package manager console,
Yep.
we give it a name, right, for the first command. I think we said like ASP core environment equals production.
Oh, you mean the in the package manager to set the production environment? Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you do this thing here. Look, it's right.
Okay, yeah,
It's right here.
everything is fine. Yeah, I've read the two commands, the one also after this one.
Okay.
It's coming up good. But when I check when right after that we right click on the properties of the project, right?
Yeah, to make this change, isn't it? The production?
Yes, but on my side it doesn't says production under the value column. It says development.
Yes. So you change that.
Oh, I need to change that.
Yes.
I thought that after running those two commands it will be automatically
No,
changed.
that command is just to make sure that inside the package manager, when you run the commands, it's gonna run in the production, but that does not interfere in the settings. So you have to do that and change in the debug section.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Okay, no problem. Come on, no one yet. No one's gonna share their deployed application. Come on, Sanshit. Come on.
Professor, can we share it after like 30 minutes, like I'm creating new account?
You have up to next class to share that.
Okay, that's fine.
That's bonus 10. Again, everyone, please pay attention here for 1 second. This is bonus 10. Bonus 10 is, I'm just gonna show you the slide there. This is bonus 10. You're gonna download the source code, you're gonna deploy to Azure, and you're gonna get the URL and post as your bonus number 10. There's a folder called bonus 10 on Centennial. That's what you should be doing now. You can do it later, that's fine, but hey, we are here already, so you might as well get this done. And you have more time over your weekends. How I'm gonna post the URL? Samira, you can copy the URL, save inside a text file. A text file, a Word document, it doesn't matter, but save it inside a file and then upload the file. Okay? Yeah, the URL to the application, I showed that as I was deploying my application. See, when you go to deploy, I'm going to show you this again, Samira. Have a look. When I'm deploying, sorry, I need to open it again here. 1 second. So when you go to publish, look, I have the codes. I'm going to right click the project. I'm going to go to publish. And then here, look, site URL. This is the URL that you're going to copy. You're going to click this little icon here to copy to the clipboard. Okay? Great. No problem, Samira. There's no documents about bonus 10. I'm just telling you verbally right now that you deploy, you can just follow this slide here. This is your bonus 10. This, take a screenshot. This is your bonus 10. Download the source, deploy to Azure, post the URL as your bonus 10. That's it.
Hi, sir.
Yes.
Sir, after running the application, I have the system exception error.
Okay. Okay, so which stage are you in? Are you already deployed?
After I run the NuGet in package console.
Okay,
And
so
then I'll be supposed to run the project. Right?
so before you run the package, make sure that it's compiling properly. Make sure that the application is compiling. Sometimes if the application, not sometimes, if the application is not compiling, if there's an error, then the deployment in the package manager will not work. See if you are able to compile the application.
Yeah, it's compiling. Okay.
It's compiling? Okay, so if you want to share your screen, I can have a look.
Okay, sir. Thanks. Share this. Share. So I just compiled built the project.
Okay, okay, it's strange there. There's something strange here. Because it says 0 succeeded. Go to build again. Go to build. Recompile. Rebuild solution. Yeah, go there.
Rebuild solution.
Okay, great.
Yep.
Now try the deployment there in the package manager. You said that you got an error in package manager?
No, sir. Right after running the program.
So okay, so is it running locally or on Azure? The database.
How do I know, sir? I have here the.
Well. Do you have the
server.
production? Do you have the production keyword in the debug settings?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have the app settings? Do you have the app settings here as well?
Yes, sir. I did the app settings here.
The production one.
This is the production one. Yeah.
Okay. Show me the debug in the project settings as well, please.
Right click properties. Here, sir. I just changed this one, right?
Production. Okay.
Sure,
So
yeah.
save everything. Okay, so
Yeah.
give it a
Okay,
try.
I'll save
Run it.
everything. Okay, run. Yeah.
Okay, so let's see this. Okay, invalid object name. Check, increase the size of this arrow window so you can see the entire.
Okay.
Sorry, go to the corner, increase it a little bit because I think that there is more. Go to the very corner of it, the little corner, lower corner of the little arrow window. The little, no. The arrow window, the arrow box.
Arrow window?
Yes, go to the corner, lower left corner, lower left.
Okay.
Sorry, lower right.
Lower right.
Okay.
Right.
So can you
Sorry,
see?
sir.
Can you see? Okay, focus here. Can you see the pop-up arrow?
Yeah, this
Can you
one.
go to the
Okay,
lower right corner of the pop-up?
Oh, lower. Oh, you mean this
Yes.
one?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry.
No problem. Okay, so object, invalid object name, ASP.NET user. Okay, show me the tables inside the identity user, inside the identity
Okay,
table.
sir.
The
I need to
database.
stop, right? Stop debugging.
Yes.
Okay, and then tables.
Identity table. Can you expand the identity database?
Oh, this is the database. Identity. Tables.
Wait, it's loading. You just have to wait. Okay, so there is nothing there. Did you run the update commands for the identity?
Update command.
Update database commands.
I did this to command, sir.
Yeah, this one is for the data. It's for the product. We have to do this for the app, for the identity database as well. We have to do both of them. Look at the PDF.
Okay, sir. I think I need to check that one
Yes,
out.
because it's just the second one that you are missing there.
Yeah, I'm following my notes actually yesterday. Yeah, okay. I'll check
I can
that
see
one.
that you did not. You skipped the second one.
You
wrote about the first one, but not the second.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank
that's it. Once you update the database with the second context,
Okay, sir.
it's gonna work.
Okay, I'll stop sharing.
Okay.
It's working now, sir.
It is awesome.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. I'm glad. Congrats there.
Okay, thank you.
Jiraj, this site that you gave the link there, is that a reputable site? I mean, is that You trust that site? To be honest, I've never heard of that site that you send me the link to the Mac. I don't know if you are still there, Raj. Let's see here if you are. Nope, you are not. Okay, that's fine. Come on, nobody yet to give me a URL to your live deployment? Come on. Who's gonna be the hero here? Come on. No problem. Okay. I get it. Yep. Right. Okay, some sheets. Good. Halfway? Halfway? Oh, you're getting an error? Let's see. Okay. Got it. Okay. Okay. So you get that when you try to load. Oh, Christine, I'm trying yours, but it's coming. Let's see here. Sanshit, when are you getting that? Is that when you try to load the site? If you want to share your screens and sheets, you can. Christine, when I try yours, I'm getting this. I don't know if it's because it's not updating, it's not propagated yet, but that's what I'm getting. Sorry, actually, let me copy this. Yep, this is what I'm getting from both of you. Okay, okay. Let's address the error. Get there when you press the publish button. Oh, that error? Okay. Okay, so I'm not saying that this is the case, but make sure that the project is compiling before you try to publish. It should, if you downloaded the one from the source code, from the source that I provided, should. And I mean, Sanshit or Christine, any one of you want to share your screen, and I can have a look and see. Again, there are certain errors that the only thing that we can try is try to redeploy again, to be quite honest. Because sometimes there are some temporary errors that happen, but yes, republish again, try to close Visual Studio, open it again, recompile, and then try a new deployment. Again, that's because there are errors that are beyond what we have experienced before, so we can only try again. Oh, so you try again, and again the same error. Essentially, if you want to share your screen, share it with me. I would like to capture the error. Okay. Yeah, we never know. I mean, sometimes just by doing a restart, that's okay.
Hi, sir. I tried closing and opening Visual Studio. I tried rebuilding as well.
Yeah.
But when I hit the publish, it's still error persists.
So you get the same error again?
I can share my screen so
Okay.
you can have
Yeah.
a look.
I can stop mine here. Okay.
Thank
Go ahead.
you. It's here, sir.
Okay, so let's see here. Publish has encountered an error.
More details.
Okay, a diagnosis has been logged, written to the following file. Let's try to open that file. Are you able to copy that path, Christine?
Which path,
Yeah,
sir?
yes, this one.
Sir. Okay,
Yep.
this one. Okay. I'll try.
See if you can open that. See if there is anything there. Let's open in a text editor if we can, or maybe go to the folder. Yeah,
Okay.
open the folder. Yeah, open the folder.
Oh, this one.
Okay. Right click on it and see if we can send this to open
Okay.
notepad. Open notepads.
Maybe I'll try this one.
Okay, that's fine.
Mm-hmm.
Maximize there. Let's see the arrow. Build has failed. Check.
Oops, sir.
That's okay. Check the output window for more details. Build failed. Okay. Go back to Visual Studio. And let's just close the error message there. Go to. You may have tried this already, but go and rebuild the application. Go to build. Rebuild. Yeah, rebuild.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it succeeded.
Actually, go there again. Once again, sorry.
Yep.
Go to rebuild.
Yeah,
Yep,
I just did that. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's building. Succeeded.
Yeah, it did. Okay. Scroll to the left there. Sorry, to the right. Yep, scroll there. And let me just have a closer. Yeah, keep going. Okay. Again, hit the publish once again.
Okay.
Okay, one second. So let me see the arrow that shows there. Web deployment task failed. The type. Let me see if I can. If I can see, I'm gonna have a look at that error message. Web deployment desk failed. That's deployment web Microsoft web. Oops. Deployment. Yeah, I just see here very unable to publish to Azure. Okay, let's see this one here. Yeah, I don't see much information here, to be quite honest, Christine. Let me see here. Yeah, I'll this. Did you already try to close everything and open again?
Yes, sir. I just did that.
Got it.
I can try again.
Yeah, that's the only thing I can think of. If you keep having that, again, just let me know. And again, because there are certain errors. Again, try this, if not today, but in the next few days, try this again, because it might be temporary or it might be permanent. I don't know, but let's see there, production. Yeah, so it seems to be all good there. So again,
Yes,
publish
sir.
there. Is this 2019 or 2017?
I think it's 2019. I just downloaded the
You
new
just
version.
downloaded? Okay, that's fine. Click there, publish again.
Crossing my fingers. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I'll try a system reboot as well, Marcusine.
Okay,
Try
okay,
that
sir.
as well.
I'll try that.
Again.
Okay.
But you have done everything right there, you know, as well as yourself, Sanshib.
I'll
So
stop now.
Sanshib, my mic, Prince, I think it is, but Prince, we are finishing one class here, okay? So hold on a second, your class is not started yet. So everyone, thank you very much. Again, if you have complications, just let me know. Just let me know about your complications. If you tried and you are getting some errors when you deploy, again, give it a second chance, give it a second try. Not today, maybe tomorrow it's gonna behave better than today, or maybe Tuesday. But I'll have a great long weekend. I'll see you all next Thursday. Okay? Have a good one. Bye now.
You too, Professor. Bye-bye.
Okay, everyone, from the next section, I'll come back in 5 minutes. I'll drop the call, but I'll come back in 5 minutes.